Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of sustainable style, where we'll show you creative tips for turning old furniture into elegant kitchen organizers and decor. If you're looking to refresh your kitchen without investing in new items, this is the perfect place for you. We believe that old furniture has a lot to offer, and with a little imagination, you can transform what might seem like clutter into functional and beautiful pieces. From vintage cabinets to forgotten side tables, we'll this video through innovative ideas that not only spruce up your kitchen but also promote sustainability. So, stick around until the end of the video for all the inspiration you need to get started on your own projects. And if you enjoy the content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps us create more engaging and eco-friendly ideas. Let's get started on this exciting journey of upcycling. Upcycling is the art of transforming unused or discarded items into something useful and beautiful. Instead of investing in new furniture, why not look to your existing pieces? This practice not only reduces waste but also offers a unique charm to your kitchen, filled with stories and character. Think of it as a way to marry functionality with flair. Before diving into any projects, take a moment to assess the furniture you have on hand. Look for pieces that may no longer fit your style or serve their original purpose, like an old dresser, a wooden chair, or a small side table. Consider how these could be adapted for kitchen use, whether for storage or aesthetic appeal. One of the most effective transformations is turning a vintage cabinet into a chic pantry. With a little refinishing and some fresh paint, you can create a storage solution that not only holds your dry goods, but also adds a pop of color to your kitchen. Open shelving can be utilized to display beautiful jars or spices, merging functionality with visual interest. Consider repurposing old chairs into shelving units. By removing the seat and securing the backrest against a wall, you can create unique, visually appealing shelving for cookbooks, spices, or decorative items. This not only saves space but also adds an artistic touch to your kitchen decor. If you have a sturdy dining table that no longer fits your space, it can be easily transformed into a kitchen island. With some refinishing, you can create an inviting work surface that enhances your cooking experience. Add some bar stools, and you'll have a perfect spot for casual dining or socializing while cooking. Old shutters or doors can be creatively repurposed into wall decor. Paint and distress them for a rustic look, and then use them as hooks for aprons, utensils, or pots. This not only adds a decorative element to your kitchen, but also provides practical storage without taking up counter space. Don't overlook the potential of old drawer units. These can be reimagined as undercounter or countertop organizers for utensils, kitchen gadgets, or spices. Stack them vertically or place them horizontally to fit your kitchen's layout. A touch of paint can tie them into your color scheme, making them both functional and attractive. Transform an old piece of furniture, like a bookcase or a sideboard, into a dedicated coffee station. Just add shelves for coffee mugs, hooks for cups, and space for your coffee maker. Not only does this declutter your countertops, but it also creates an inviting nook for your daily brew. One of the simplest ways to elevate your upcycled furniture is through paint. A fresh coat in a trendy color can instantly change the look of an item. Pair it with stylish hardware or decorative accents to create a cohesive and chic kitchen environment that's uniquely yours. Incorporate plants into your furniture designs for a touch of greenery. Old wooden crates or small tables can serve as plant stands, bringing life and vibrancy to your kitchen. Not only do plants enhance the decor, but they can also improve air quality and create a serene atmosphere. Finally, remember that the smallest details can make a significant impact. Add decorative baskets, unique table runners, or personalized containers to complete your upcycled kitchen space. These elements can tie everything together, enhancing both functionality and style. By turning old furniture into elegant kitchen organizers and decor, you not only create a more sustainable living environment, but also showcase your personal style. Embrace the challenge of upcycling, and you'll find that each piece tells a story, making your kitchen truly one of a kind. So gather your old furniture, unleash your creativity, and transform your kitchen into a stylish and sustainable haven. Thank you for watching. We hope you found inspiration in our tips for turning old furniture into elegant kitchen organizers and decor. Your support means the world to us. If you enjoyed this content, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel for more creative ideas and sustainable projects. Don't forget to like and share with friends who might also be interested in upcycling and sustainable living. Together, we can create beautiful spaces while being kind to our planet. Stay tuned for our next video.